An Egyptian court has sentenced 2 policemen to 7 years in prison for beating to death the pro-democracy activist Khaled Said. Well, his murder helped spark the Egyptian revolution at the time. Our correspondent Sherine Tadros is joining us now from the Egyptian capital, Cairo, for more on this verdict, Sherine. So 7 years, we're saying, was it a surprise?
It was a surprise, not least because there's been a media gag order on the reporting of this trial for the past month. So we've actually known very little about what's been going on inside that courtroom. But we were expecting for the charges to be upped to murder. That is what the lawyers of Khaled Said were asking for, and also what the latest forensic report that was submitted to the judge about a month ago had seemed to suggest. So this 7-year verdict seems to mean that the judge in the case has decided not to up the charge and yet give the maximum sentence, that 7-year sentence, for the current charges that the police officers were facing, which is physical torture and unlawful arrest. Now, the family of Khaled Said, we understand, are upset. They're very angry. They have now 60 days to appeal. I'm not surprised if they actually end up doing that.
And the reaction from the rest of the country, Sherine, on this verdict?
Enraged, really. I mean, you just have to open up Twitter and you see the kind of reaction that you're getting from people on the street, people saying that the punishment really does not fit the crime. Don't forget that this is such a huge case. The death of Khaled Said over a year ago resonated throughout the country. It epitomized really everything that was going wrong and symbolized what was wrong with the old regime, the police brutality, the way in which the government tried to cover up the events. So there was this hope, if not expectation, that at least in this case there would be justice, given the fact that there are new rulers and there was a revolution. And we're hearing now from April 6th, an important opposition movement here, that in fact they're going to be responding. They say that this verdict is unacceptable and perhaps even be calling for more protests in the days to come.
All right, Sherine Tadros from Cairo. Thank you, Sherine.